Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the lesson The Summer of Beautiful White Horse. It was written by William Saroyan. About the author William Saroyan, he was an Armenian American novelist, playwright, and short story writer. He won Pulitzer Prize for his drama in 1940. It was the highest literature award in America. And he won Academy Award for his best story in 1943. In most of his writings, he wrote about the Armenian immigrant life in California. The theme of the story, the most important theme is honor. The young boy Aram explains the underlying philosophies of his large extended family. Although they were poor, they were known for their honesty and trust. They never took advantage of others and they were not thieves. So the important characters of this story: Aram, a 9-year-old Armenian boy, belonged to Kogolanian tribe, and Maurad, Armenian boy of 13-year-old belonging to Kogolanian tribe, and he was a cousin of Aram. And Khosrow, Aram's uncle, a crazy person with a powerful head. And next character is John Byro, a farmer. John Byro, he was a farmer, and narrator's mother. These are the very important characters in the story. And now let us see the summary of the story. Aram and Maurad were two poor boys. Aram and Maurad were two poor boys who belonged to the Armenian tribe, who were known for their honesty since the 11th century. One early morning, when Aram was asleep and was enjoying pleasant dreams, his cousin Maurad showed up to his window with a beautiful white horse. Aram could not believe it, and he was thinking it was a dream. But since there was a little light outside, he knows this for sure that the horse was real. As they were belongs to poor family, Aram could not believe that the horse was their own. Maurad had come to invite him for a ride along. He asked him to make it quick before everyone in the world wakes up. Aram wore his clothes and jumped out of the window and sat behind Maurad on the horse. And now Aram and Maurad ride on the old countryside of the area where they lived. It was a Walnut Avenue. After some time, Maurad asked him to get off as he wanted to ride the horse alone. And now Maurad wants to ride the horse alone, and Aram is also decided to ride the horse alone. Now Aram came to know that Maurad had stolen the horse a month ago and was riding it every morning. When Aram got his chance of riding horse, the horse took him to the vineyard and threw him off and ran away. And the horse went away and it was hiding. After searching for 30 minutes, finally Maurad managed to find the horse and they hid him in a deserted vineyard. So every morning for 2 weeks they would take the horse for a ride and then hide it again. One day John Byro came to Aram's house. He was a farmer and owner of the horse. Came to Aram's house to talk to his uncle Khosrow, who was an irritated and loud man who shouted always as it is no harm, pay no attention to it. And Byro became irritated by his attitude and he went away. Byro told him about his missing horse to the uncle Khosrow, but he was not taking seriously. he shouted, "It is no harm, pay no attention to it." So Byro became irritated and he went away from the place. Aram went to Morad and told him about the missing horse of Byro and asked him to not return the horse until he learns to ride, because he was very much desired to ride horse. Morad told him that it would take 1 year for him to learn to ride a horse. He further angrily added that they could not be thieves, as their tribe is known for honesty, and said that they would return the horse after 6 months. One day, on their way back to hide the horse to the hidden spot, Aram and Morad met John Byro, who was going back to the town. He talked them and carefully examined the horse. Byro studied the horse. He admitted that the horse looked exactly like his missing horse. But he didn't suspect those boys because of their family. He did not believe that they had his missing horse. He assumed it was a twin horse, because the Armenian tribe and Armenian tribe known for honesty and trust, so that John Byro is not suspecting anything about the boys. And John Byro finally assumed that the horse was twins, and Morad managed to let Byro assume that it was not his horse, so they went away. After the meeting with the Byro, Aram and Morad decided to return the horse. The same afternoon, John Byro came back to his house to tell his mother about his horse who had come back. And the farmer was very happy, was astonished to see horses better tempered, and it was stronger than before. So the two poor boys, Aram and Morad, they want to safeguard their family goodwill. So that's why they returned the horse to the farmer, John Byro, and now the farmer is also happy. And this is what the story, the summer of the beautiful white horse. And thank you for listening. Thank you, students.